This will be the tutorial for lesson number 12 called Build a Flappy Game. And yes, that is a reference to the game Flappy Bird. So by the time you are done with this unit, you will have a functional game similar to Flappy Bird. Let's go ahead and begin with and click on number 1. Now this is an intro, and when it is your turn, I very strongly encourage you to watch the video. It is very, very short, and when the video finishes, please click continue and move on to the first puzzle. The directions here say attach the flap a normal amount, that's this first blue one, block to the when click event. When click. So they're asking you to take this long blue block and connect it to the when click event block. Then press run. Click or tap on the play space to move Flappy to the target. So once this block has been connected to this green one, we're going to click run, and then just by clicking somewhere on the screen, instead of simply falling to the ground, he will actually flap his wings. Let's see if that works. I'm going to go ahead and take this block and connect it to the when click event block. This time, if I click run, the moment I tap, and it doesn't matter where you are in the screen, if you click, he will flap his wings. Okay, let me do that again. I want you to see that a little bit clearer. And the idea is to click quicker so that he goes all the way to that target at the very top. And when he does, you will be moved on to the next puzzle. That was puzzle number 2. Here is puzzle number 3. The directions say the when run event, this one, the orange one, allows you to run code as soon as the game starts. I want you to notice that when we did this a moment ago, nothing happened until we clicked in here. But if we add something to the orange when run block, whatever we connect here will happen as soon as we click run. The direction says try adding a block that sets the level speed when the run button is pressed. So we're looking for a block that has to do with speed. And it looks like it's this one, which says set speed to normal. And you can change that to random, very slow, slow, normal, fast, very fast. I'm going to go ahead and try several different settings so you can see the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and connect that here. Now, when I click run, the screen started moving because the game is now progressing. If I start clicking on here, he should start flapping his wings. And the whole point of this level is to get him to this target in the top right-hand corner. I missed it. There should be another target coming. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and replay because I want you to see different levels of speed. If I click very slow and do it again, you can see that the level is going by rather slow. Makes it a little bit easier to get to the target. Now let's try something very, very fast. Reset, change this to very, very fast, and run again. You can definitely tell the difference in the speed, and it's going to make it a little bit harder. And that was by luck. I wasn't trying to get it that quickly, but it was by luck. So go ahead and click continue. You can change the speed to whatever speed you want when it is your turn. This will be puzzle number 4, and this is the only other one that we are going to do for this tutorial. The directions say now we've added the ground. Attach the end game block to the when hit the ground event. Here's the when hit the ground event, and we want to add the block that says end game, which is right here, end game. Now, here's what happens without it. I'm going to go ahead and leave it without connecting it. If we click the game and start going like this, if he hits the ground, nothing happens. We want the game to actually officially end. So let's actually connect the block. And this time, if he hits the ground, we get a game over sign. The game officially ended. And that's what that is for. Let's go ahead and click replay here. I want you to notice that your assignment for this tutorial is to complete puzzles 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your job is to make sure that they are bright green. And you may turn off code.